Welcome to my channel. As I said in the past video, I will protect this scope with this sheet of glass. It's Irigol DS1104. It has 4 channel and 100 megahertz of bandwidth. First I will measure the dimension of the screen. I will use this metallic roller. We have here a flat space and here a small one to stick the glass. I will use maybe a double-sided tape or this transparent one. First we must measure here between the button. We mustn't exceed those buttons, so it must be 17 centimeter to cover. From here to here we have 17. I will measure the inside. We will get 1 millimeter from each side clearance. We have here 1 millimeter. And for the height, it must be 12 centimeter. If we put here 12 here, we can't use 12. We will use 11. So it can, this BNC can be reachable. We have 11. So 17 centimeter by 11. I will cut this glass sheet of glass using this tool, and I will clean it between passing to the next step. A little wood or a metallic part to cut the glass using this movement. You must take care of this thickness, the distance between this cutting ruler and this edge. So here we can measure this distance of about 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter. So you must subtract this distance in order to get the right measurement. The width, the 11 centimeter. I marked here 11 centimeter minus 2 millimeter from the two sides. I will use this metallic ruler. We must apply a force here and do a cut. The first cut wasn't success because you must use a sharp tool. As you can see, it can't follow the line, it must be continued. So you must use a sharp tool. Those holes must be sharp. You can, of course, with a screwdriver, you can choose any one from those. This tool must be kept in oil, so it will stay sharp and not oxidize. Now I will use a sandpaper, so those edges doesn't harm anyone. They are sharp now. They must be treated with sandpaper, and I will clean the window. Then I will pass to the next step. After sanding the corner, they are no more sharp. Now I will use the double-sided tape to fix the glass. Now we can put the protected glass in place. As you can see now, the scope is protected by this sheet of glass. If accidentally you touch it with the soldering iron, it will not be damaged. For this project you need a sheet of glass. It depends on the dimension of the screen. You need also this tool to cut the appropriate square of glass. To fix the glass here you need a double-sided tape, and of course sandpaper to sand the glass. As you can see now, the scope is protected and in the new place. I have the microscope linked via the HDMI cable to this monitor, so I can work here on this tiny board. It's from the tester, component tester. The downside of this technique is there is a glare here, the reflection over the glass, the outside side of the glass. But it has a solution. We can use a black carpet here. You can see the difference if I use a black carpet here. We will have a nice picture. It depends, of course, of the angle of vision. If we remove this one, we can see there is a reflection. So maybe I will use a black carpet in this part to reduce reflection. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.